Welcome to Noller Hyundai of Lawrence. Here is another one of our great vehicles for sale. This 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning comes equipped with connected navigation system, 14-speaker audio system, Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, automatic climate control, dual-zone front climate control and memory seats. Here at Noller Hyundai of Lawrence, we're a one-stop shop for all this automotive. No matter what brings you to our store, we will go above and beyond to exceed your expectations of superior customer service. We're committed to helping you through every stage of the car ownership experience, and we're proud to give back to the communities we serve. Come and visit us today at 2829 South Iowa Street in Lawrence, Kansas.